Hi everyone, my name is Brad Sorensen from the Alamo Drafthouse, here to bring you this month's featured favorite, Chimi-Freakin-Changas, inspired by the movie Deadpool. These chimichangas are a family recipe brought over from Denmark, and I know them so well that I could even do it from behind a mask.
Oh no, you can't. Legal said we can't use the mask.
Can't even use a Deadpool mask on a Deadpool shoot.
Let's get cooking. Every chef knows nothing is more important than well-sharpened cutlery, but we're gonna do things with maximum effort.
Oh my god!
The Chimi-Freakin-Changa has just the right kick with a mixture of jalapeno and poblano peppers. Add in some black beans and charred tomato salsa and you are on a freight train to Deliciousville. Once that tasty mixture simmers, it's ready to roll.
Does that look about 2 ounces?
Let's get that fryer scalding hot. Last step, wrap all that goodness up in a flour tortilla. And it's off to the Crispatorium.
So here we have the chimichanga, available with your server now.
The ambulance is on its way.
Oh, thank God.